Hey.
Hey, bud. So what I would do is spin around, drag shit to me, I'll pull it in.
Well, it's gonna be a little hard with all this shit. Let me see if I could do this.
Hold on, let me get some of this rock out of the way.
Tripod. Black bag.
Yeah, try to keep that flat if possible.
I think this is like the second craziest mine entrance I've done.
It is the craziest?
Second.
What's the first?
Guess. That sucked.
That wasn't bad.
Oh, this is buns.
That's what our shit on. I'm doing that this time. Just my bag and my tripod.
You're funny.
So far, so good on the waiter tip.
Look at that.
You can see the rail.
Yeah.
Now there is a bunch of rock fall and shit. So
Are there nails?
no.
That's all I care about.
Check for that plug.
This is so funny. Never gotten to
Hold on, let
do.
me feel my crotch. Alright, I have a little bit of a drip on right and left, but it's fine. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Legs are leaking already.
Oh no.
Yep. Not bad, just like drippies. So I'm in a hurry. Keep your eye on my backpack.
You have a lot of space.
I just want to get out of the water because I'm already getting wet.
I see your plume of shit.
There's literal shit. I squeeze it out of my waders.
Ew.
I'm just trying to plug them. I'm just stoked that the raft worked.
I wish I put my bag on that.
Hard left around all that shit.
Yeah, I see.
Lift your bag a little.
It's okay if like the bottom inch gets wet.
Bottom 2 inches got wet.
It's okay if like most it gets wet, honestly.
Yeah, still.
I have everything in dry bags.
I know, I'm just saying. It sucks to get shit wet. I really thought I glued these fuckers good. I'm gonna have to get some wet seal. Don't get the boat wet.
The boat's fine.
Don't get the boat wet.
Wow, look at that.
They said the rock tunnel going down is like the coolest fucking thing.
Dude, I hope I didn't just break my meter.
Let me see it.
It's stuck at 23.
Attention please.
It's working.
Oxygen guide.
I mean, it's recognizing a difference in the air.
Yeah. Very drippy. I mean, it goes. It looks like it actually maybe the water decreases too.
You're still recording?
Yep.
There's going to be a lot of editing.
I
That whole chunk is just going to be pulled out.
well, that's easy.
Yeah.
What sucks is when I'm exploring with someone and they're like, I don't want to show my face. That's the worst to edit by far. Lots of fossils around these
Oh,
rocks.
dude, tons. There's tons of quartz, little quartz veins, stringers, rhododendron. I'm sure there's fern. Yeah, he's right after this section.
Oh my god, Mike. What if, hear me out, what if I said the word penis?
If you said the word what?
Penis.
Penis? You can't say that. Not on national TV.
Wow. This is weird as shit.
cruise through.
Wow, okay. I definitely couldn't have stayed dry.
No, that's okay. There's constant water. Not too bad.
Let me know if you need help.
It's pretty good.
Wow. Wow.
We go straight. We go right to.
Wow. Wait, I'm gonna take a pic as well. That's where we came from. That's the main slope. This is what? Main gangway? What's that?
It goes to good stuff.
That's a brick wall.
Then it goes to good stuff.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's all right here. Huh.
So use your judgment as far as the ground of what you're going to be walking in.
Why?
Well, if you're going to get changed,
Oh,
then
not.
you have to go in the car.
I thought you were implying false floors.
No. There's up here is where there is. That's the next one down into this all about.
Well, we'll check that out. Wow, look at the catenaries too. Those are beefy. This is epic. Well, should I leave my shit here?
Yeah, I think that's a
So these are the mine locomotives. Look at that. I can't believe it's all so close. I don't even know what you're looking at, but I bet it's not as cool as this. Huh.
They're both pretty fucking cool.
I've always said that I wanted to see a mine locomotive, like, so bad though.
Here you get 3 hoists, 2 shafts, and 2 locomotives.
Wow. Look at that. I can't wait to shoot all this too.
There's another hoist over there. There's another hoist up there.
Look at this. I assume that's a lower level we could hop down to.
This is the lowest level other than that where the water's running.
No, right there.
Oh, yeah, you just jumped down.
Yeah. We'll have to try that later.
Instead of rock test, it's a body test. You could throw your shit on that bench if you want. Are we shooting right off the bat?
I want to do video and then shoot. You good with that?
So you want to leave shit here,
Yeah.
come back.
You maybe utilize when we leave here.
That was my testing.
That was yours?
Yeah, so I can put my camera stuff on
That's funny.
without getting it gross.
What is this, a phone booth?
Do me a solid.
Yeah.
Tripod it again.
Tripod. That was my nickname in high school.
Because of your huge feet, though.
Yeah. This looks like it was a door and a old latch. Takes precedence over comfort. Look at these old miner slacks. Well, let's video this shit.
Where do you want to start the tour? Right here?
Why not?
I think there's less water flowing down it today than the other day. I'll tell you in a second.
Ox is good.
Yeah, there's less today. It was like raining the other day.
Dude, I can't even see the bottom. Oh, now I can.
I was gonna say, if you're over here, you can.
Wow. This is also my first ever shaft. I've never done a shaft before.
Wait, did you make it yet?
No. I have a girlfriend. I don't know if she'd appreciate it.
Yeah, that's what
Look at the old wavy concrete wall that must have been here, the block wall. Hey. I gotta tell you, if you do, they have a shaft.
Yeah, I know.
It's very similar to this, and it's very, very fucking cool.
The same constructors, like the carpenters that did this probably did that one. Are the
Wow.
beams kind of similar to these?
Yeah,
Yeah,
everything is.
probably same hard parts.
How close could you safely get to this?
I don't know. What rope do you have?
None.
Exactly.
So like, 6, 7. Twin shaft. Ooh, I don't like that.
Yeah, like I said, there's a bunch of shit you can just fall through. Like, see this right here? Like,
Yeah, sauce.
Pretty fucking incredible, man.
What's this, a transfer station?
So this is transfer / counterweight to the hoist over here.
Wow.
That's where they made the pizzas.
Mike, I think this is the coolest mine I've seen.
It is pretty fucking rad.
Just the amount of infrastructure.
This one and the other one with a lot of water, not the one you went into, the one
Yeah.
we're going to, are equally awesome because there's just so much to see.
Oops, look at that. Bouncy, bouncy. But yeah, this is a extremely ungodly dangerous mine. But it's really cool. This is sick as shit. It's a technical term. This is a transfer station. Basically, the cars would get hoisted up and down this shaft. They'd come along here and go whoop, stop, and then this hoist would go back and forth to transfer them to the various cars. Now, it does look like that this rail here didn't extend beyond this point. And actually, come to think about it, neither of them did likely. Still very cool to see, nonetheless. Oh. Oh wow, I bet this is where we just were, isn't it? I think it's cool how they have these like very vertical, like curved stops on the ends of the rails. Look at the gear. These things are huge. Now this mine is getting backfilled very soon. In fact, it's kind of suicidal to even be in here right now. But this is cool. I'm also joking. It's not gonna happen that fast. Look at this old electric motor. Old pails of shit. Look at that. The old rail cart. All these wheels. That's really cool. He's probably somewhere up here. I reckon that where he was connects to where I am. So that was a dual action hoist, apparently. Look at all the formations and shit. I guess the technical term. Where am I? Yeah, he definitely came out of that wall. Hey, Mike! He's somewhere. It's like, it's just crazy how much stuff there is because this is not a big mine. I see his light. There's a lot of shit in a very small area, which is just awesome. But it's not big. Wood. Let's see what he was in. Actually, let's see where he went. Hey, did you see down there?
The collapse part?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool as hell.
Look at this. Look at the infrastructure. That's all rail. This whole thing is lined with rail.
No, I mean, did you see the rail car filled with wheels?
Oh, yeah, the counterweight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what that is, a counterweight?
Yeah.
That's cool. What's down here?
It's like a compressor room, kind of.
Ooh. That looks scary. Don't fall down that. There's no way I could have worn my shoes.
Yep, nope. Muck boots, sure.
Wow.
I wasn't here last time. I didn't scout this.
You weren't? Doesn't look like there's much else.
So, like,
Old rail car?
look
Another
at,
counterweight?
again, the infrastructure. All of that is rail.
That doesn't go anywhere.
All of that is rail. The I-beams, like, getting all this shit down here.
Looks like there's a pipe too.
Yeah, I saw that. And then the veins up there. I see a timber.
Yeah.
That looks like it goes somewhere.
Where? There?
Nope, up to the right.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. There's also to the left.
That's flooded, I believe.
Yep, flood. That does go somewhere. You want me to take a look?
I mean, we can both take a look. Leave it open.
I don't know if I could do this with your waders, but...
You want me to get up first and just scout it?
Nah.
Don't wriggle. I'm assuming it just continues like a gangway of this room on the left.
This is like... No, there's something.
It sounds like a room. Should I come up?
Yes.
Okay.
So that probably is nothing. To the right.
Looks collapsed now.
I don't know if you want to check, but down there, there's definitely something.
I see water.
There's like a door.
Oh, that's that. Okay, I know exactly where we're at.
Where?
This goes to another hallway that joins up with the other shit.
Really?
Yep. I remember seeing the other side of that.
That's trippy.
You going up?
Take a peek.
Watch me get up here. It's a room the size of a house.
Watch you don't hit your back on that timber.
Anything is just working.
Hold on. I mean, it just so far looks like workings.
I don't know if I feel like running this now.
I'll go to what we could see there, the collapse.
I mean, I'll go the extra 30 feet, but I'd rather spend the time taking pictures of good shit.
I'd rather push collapse that ultimately leads to nothing, Mike. I don't know what the fuck you're smoking.
Usually tobacco.
No, I'm better friends with actually.
Really?
Really.
Nice.
Got to cut that out of the video.
You know the benefits to,
I'm aware of the general benefits.
like, this I think joins back up to where we were on the right.
No, this is the pipe.
That's what I'm saying. Where we saw the bottom of the pipe
Oh shit.
should be over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the room. Big fucking pipe.
Yeah, it is. Has anyone seen this before?
I'm sure. There's footprints everywhere. So I wonder if that was a sump room. Sump.
You good?
You good? You got quick shoes. A sump pump room. Dude, this is a shithole.
Oh wow. Okay. Step on that. Where does this go to though?
Probably the surface.
Shit.
Does it just keep going up?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm good on that tip.
I'm good too, but neat to see.
Yeah. I'm assuming this just went to the surface to get water out. Oh, that's so slimy.
Yeah, I saw you walk into here and I just went the other way. Wow, look at this. Does this still turn? Oh,
The lock nut's rusted off, but
still
still
cool.
rad as shit. Makes you wonder what kind of goodies are tossed up there. Probably locomotives.
All this graffiti. Caleb Dietz was here January 4th. Fuck. Let's see, who could I name and shame? Larry Black. Don't do graffiti. Oh, that's pretty
Rock
good.
Riders.
Anyone recent? Anyone recent? Dick guy.
Hey, it's
Don't do that. UGM. That's from 15. That's kind of recent. 6-7. Guys, don't do this shit. Wow. I just can't get over this shit. How did you do this?
down and stepped on that left bar.
Is it stable?
Ish.
No, it's not.
Go under the railing and take the walkway. And there was one day where it was the last day it was used in part. I told you to watch out for that.
I totally ruined your moment.
I totally remember.
No, it's a cool thought though. I know, I know. Oh, I see. Does that loop around?
Sorry.
No, it doesn't.
Look at the contactor.
Yeah.
So red. Nothing but slivers in it. There's probably transformers and shit, I would assume.
Look at the old switch box. Dies. Oh, some old newspaper too. Magazines and such. Kind of obliterated, but cool nonetheless. All this shit is just rusted. Absolutely shut. Fuck. What's doing here?
So when we first came down, it said go straight and go all the way to the bottom. This is that mucky area.
Is this where we popped out of the main slope?
Yeah.
Cool.
So this takes us to the steps. I wouldn't go that way just because of the muck.
Well, we're not leaving either. Right?
No, I'm saying, like, I just wouldn't go that way because of the muck. I'm gonna go around it. No, check this one out. That one's fucking cool. I definitely want to shoot that because I didn't get any good pictures of it.
Especially with the rails as leading lines. The junction. Wow. Look at the wire still up. That's something I haven't seen much of ever. Look at that.
Look at the rail. Just left there to support everything.
Yeah, it's like a lattice
Fucking
structure.
crazy.
I want to shoot that.
Boobies. Wherever this went, pre-collapse.
This looks like probably not original, but
52, I think.
old
50.
glass, intact. Someone brought film down here.
That's probably original from the 90s. I don't think that's recent.
I was thinking of bringing my film camera, but I just, Jim Stone graffiti, unless that's 1925.
I doubt that's that old. I was thinking about doing the same too. It's just it's more shit to carry, it's more things to hassle.
I packed my bag to the absolute limit. So, this mud is a really weird, like, texture.
I think it's mostly coal dust.
It's like clay. What were these?
This one looks
It's
awesome.
melted.
Backlit and semi-frontlit.
I think I'm gonna finish this trip wondering if I still have a pinky toenail.
Yeah, it's just a pinky. You can get rid of it.
Well, I have a race in a week, so it's kind of a big deal. CGJB, don't graffiti.
I miss you.
I don't.
Right there.
Look at the, like, color and texture of the ceiling. It looks like it was sprayed with calcium.
It probably was.
Keep the dust down, you know?
And brighten it up. Oh, now why'd you go do a thing like that? I spent 3 weeks building that.
Fuck.
Put it back.
Now I'm the bad person.
Yeah, right? Breaking shit. Call the cops, dude.
Oh no. Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm gonna get haunted now. This is the workshop area.
Shop work.
You know, I've been doing a continuous shot this entire time.
You still haven't run short of battery.
I have 2 extra whole batteries.
No, but I'm saying you didn't change out your battery yet.
No.
Nice.
So you think that's good? That bodes well. Oh. I'm honestly now more worried about my Sofern.
I'm not burning mine super hot.
I'm not either, but yeah, still.
I didn't have any issues last time when we used this on turbo a bunch for pictures.
I'm right next to you.
I'm not gonna go past this.
This looks kind of shit.
Yeah, it is very shit. There's nothing I need to see up there.
Cool though. What is back there?
A bunch of fall.
Yeah. It looks like it gets smaller too.
Say that again.
After this, is it photos?
Yeah.
Cool.
I definitely want to start seeing.
Me too, because also, dude, I do not feel good.
Well, it's 6:14.
Already?
Yeah, we're burning time.
Fuck. Yeah, we gotta stop fucking around.
But you said you wanted to see everything.
I did. I
Yeah,
did.
this is the area that goes to that whole wall. And this is Tony's Pizza Shop here. Like the trash break.
Yeah.
Tony Santor, we make good pizza here, eh?
Looks like a padded cell.
Like hell itself?
Padded cell. Solitary or some shit.
It's like once you hit these ends, you're gonna see that wall.
Oh, okay. Are you sure that's the same wall?
No, the other wall has a different hole in it.
So we have to go back now to that other hole.
No, we're not, definitely. Absolutely.
No, that's not the same.
No, it's a different one. In my mind, just remember that style of brick in a hole in it. Unless this goes to a pocket that leads to that one, because we're going in that direction.
What's down here? Collapse.
Good shit.
Big pile of collapse. Looks like a three-way.
Look at the airflow though. So it's either going left and right. I'll take a peek.
Tell me if it's good, because I want to rest my toes. Well, guys, we're going to go back and take some pictures, some proper photographs to do this place justice. Probably won't record to save myself editing time and all that.
At least we know there's good airflow.
I'll do a fucking outro clip or some shit, but this will probably be the end of the video here. So. Okay. Sorry. Setting up my own shot here. Yeah. Let's see, can I get this and the hoist? Looks like I can't get this. I cannot get this and the hoist.
Yeah, you're either gonna have to patch it.
That's way too, no. I'll just do separate.
Yeah.
It's good. Oh man, I can't wait to fully disassemble my tripod again.
Clean it?
Yeah.
I don't need that. I just put my keys.
Where's the place I'm gonna put this?
Scoot your boot real quick.
Yep.